Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by making the new project and selecting your timeline settings to match your footage. This avoids jitter later. Next, import all video, audio, and images. Drag multiple files or hit import. Once done, group clips into folders and rename important files so you can find them quickly. Make sure to set the project frame rate and resolution to match the main footage to prevent mismatches. This first step establishes a clean workspace, so editing runs faster and exports stay consistent. Now you work the timeline. Trim with the split tool and use ripple delete to close gaps. That keeps pacing tight. Then add transitions sparingly and apply speed ramps where motion needs emphasis. Use color correction to adjust exposure and white balance, and add LUTs if desired for consistent look. Layer audio tracks, normalize clips, and use keyframes or auto-ducking to lower music under dialogue. These middle steps refine rhythm, visuals, and sound so the sequence reads smoothly and professionally. Finish by exporting. Pick a preset that matches delivery. 264 for web, specify 1080p or 4K in bitrate. Before exporting, scrub the timeline to verify frame-accurate cuts, check audio waveforms for clipping, and play through color-corrected sections. Once satisfied, export a short test clip to confirm quality. If something goes wrong, layers glitch, export fails, or stutter, clear CapCut cache, restart the app, and ensure project frame rate matches source. That simple troubleshooting resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.